Hello and welcome to today's training. We will be looking at how to populate attributes table on ArcGIS. So we'll jump right on. Last week you learned about georeferencing. So back to this, you import the shapefile. Here we have Nigeria. So you open the attribute table. You can see all of these are referred to as attributes of that particular shapefile. So you have this. So you come here to add another column. Add field and you insert the name. Having done that, you choose text because it's a name, and then you can make the length 20 just to moderate the length here. So now you have a column for capital. We want to add capital to all of these states. Yeah, you can adjust it, and then right now it is not editable, so we come over here to edit it using the edit feature. So we start editing, then that cell becomes editable. So now we can edit it. We'll just fill all of this right on. Let's do that very quickly. Just fill it all on. And then, yeah. Okay, so we have up to here. And then we'll run through it just to populate what we have. So now that we are done, next thing that we do is to finish editing, but we can't do that here. So we come over here and then save the edits such that what we have done remains. Now we have this in the shapefile. We can close it to see, yeah, and then open up and you see that it is saved capital. So one other way we can do this, if we want to add to extra columns, yeah, we can actually add it from Excel. So you should have your Excel file, you open it and look at the name, and then look at this particular column. It's very similar to the same column in our attributes table here. So you can see name 1, the arrangement is very similar to the Excel file here, the first column, and that is what we are going to use to join this together with our already existing shapefile attributes. So just watch, you come over here and then use the join and relate. You join, then you choose the file. Remember the name, name_1, then now go to choose the file, and then remember it was Nigeria attributes, so we select that, and then we select the sheet. Note it was sheet 1. Then you use the same name here so that it can actually join the attributes together. So for verification, we can validate, and then once all boxes are checked, then we can go ahead and populate our field. And then here you have it. Once we expand this, we can reduce the extent here just to make sure that it's in order. Reduce the extent just to suit what you have, and then here you have it, the name, the population, and geopolitical zone that we brought in from Excel. And note that we have this added to the shapefile. This is the 3 that we just brought in, and then this is the name, and you can see that they appear twice. So what you can do is to turn this field off, and now you have a much comprehensive attribute table. I hope you were able to learn. We can close it and see that it was saved. So once you have it here all intact, this is the capital we added manually, and this is the one we added from Excel. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.